Hello, David Bradley here in the TV room. I'm going to reattach the keyboard to this machine. I'm testing it, trying to test the joystick. But, so far, boy, this keyboard cable seems a little shorter than most. It may not be, but it just seems a little more challenging to get this on. There we go. And we'll put the LED on just because we can. And we'll get this in position, fold it down, turn it on. And now that we have the keyboard attached, I guess I'll hit like F1. Oh, okay, F1 did something. Okay, so now put this in joystick in port number 2. And I'll pick it up. And I'll try and do something. And what happens? Nothing. So I'll put it in port number 1. Aha! Now we're moving. I don't think I've ever seen this game. What is that thing? Ooh, okay, I zoomed somewhere. I'm warping to level 7. Ah! I died. Died. I am shooting things. I died. Alright, well, let's try the directions. That's back. That's forth. That's down. I died. Up. We'll go up. We'll turn. We'll fire. This would be a good thing, I think. Oh, no. What's that thing? I died. Mission terminated. Well, it's alright. The joystick works. Now I wonder. Okay, I pressed F3. Oh, something happened there. I pressed F3, and another little ship appeared. I don't know what that means. You would think. I guess in the instructions it says what to do. You would think they would have something that says, hey, you want to start the game? Oh, look, pause. I can pause it with the space bar. Magic. Anything else do anything here? I wonder if there's screen color changes and things. I don't know, but look, I can pause it. That is a handy feature in a game. So the joystick does seem to be... Oh, I guess I have to unpause. The joystick seems to be okay. Oh, player 1. Oh, I see. Okay. I'm player 1. I'm blowing up things. I guess the shots only go to the edge of the screen. I don't know what that means. Yes. Oh, now on player 2. Okay, I guess the players do share the joystick. At least it seems that they do. Come on, you. Lots of things to fire out here. Unfortunately, I'm not hitting any of them. Okay. What is that thing? I don't know. It doesn't seem I did anything to it. I guess I need to pursue that. Am I emptying the zone? Oh no. Oh no, 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 no. I died again. I died again. Okay. I got a little time in there to pass the joystick along. What is that thing? It doesn't seem to do anything. Let's go in there. I don't know what that did. Oh, what happened there? Something happened there. I don't know what that did. It did something. I wonder what that thing is. Yes. Okay, so the joysticks work. I will have to investigate this on my game that I know nothing about. But it is pretty impressive, this thing. I'm gonna die. Yes. So it seems to be a 1 and 2 player game, and it's called a Zone Ranger. I'm sure if I look things about it up online, I'll find more things. So, we seem to have a working 64. It has sustained a little damage because I had to bend the cartridge, the cover of the cartridge for it, and tried to do that and rip the screws out of the case. That is too bad. But you know what? With the other screws in, with the shielding back on, it really doesn't. It won't make a difference. It really won't. Oh, it really won't. All right. So I guess at some point I'll have to check the discs, see if they're okay. But the 64 looks okay. The case is a little yellowed. I might. Yeah. Well, it's funny. They don't match up, and even from the factory, sometimes the colors didn't match up. I will ponder if I put this out in the sun. I don't know. What is that noise now? Oh, hey, this has a. If I hold the button down, it just fires. Oh, it's running out of time. Running out of time. Boom. Mission terminated, I suspect. So yeah, I can just sit here and fire. So I don't need to get and plug in the auto fire thing because it just does it. Oh, did something there. Boom, I died. Mission terminated. Alright, well, this has all gone well. I am pleased. So thanks for coming. Have a lovely, lovely day. And we'll see you again back here in the TV room. At least I hope so. Later. Bye.